We are back again today, working on the GTR as always. So I've already started some work, but what we're doing today is we're actually taking off this fender so that way we can remove our windshield wiper fluid reservoir, because we're probably going to temporarily put this right here in this location, have it tilted or angled. Depending on how long I have that one off for while I'm running this and getting it all set up, I might also go ahead and just take this one off, because I also won't be running a hood at first. When I get this up and going this time, I won't be running a hood. So I just might also go ahead and not run fenders just for a little bit, because I know I'm taking this one off. I might take off the other one too. I don't have a need for it, but just cause. But yeah, like I said in the previous video, I put this in, haven't wired it up yet. That piece is supposed to be coming the day after I make this video, actually. What else? Still working on, I really haven't progressed at all since the other video. I'm waiting on parts to come in, because I also still have to get the cords and wires, well, the wires down there through to the ECU and find out, talk to my friend and his other friend slash my new acquaintance, which is the person who's most likely going to be throwing the initial tune on this, if not just all the tunes in general, about whether we want to start it out with the ECU that's in there, or if we, ooh, that's a weird angle because I need to open the door more, or if we want me to go ahead and switch over to the second standalone ECU that I have. But yeah, for the most part, the fender is already off. Only have one bolt left, I believe. That's an interesting one to get to as well. It's a 10 millimeter, which I should have. Ooh, that was loud. Yes, my garage is currently a mess, because every time I come in here to clean it, I also end up working on the car, and those projects, that's not good enough. Those projects just never finish. So we're still here, still working on it, still going, and this is honestly the first time I can say that I've had to look for my 10 millimeter, and it's not even the socket either, it's the wrench. Because for the most part, everything I've touched on this engine has been a 12 millimeter, a 14 millimeter, or the odd 17 millimeter. There's the 10 millimeter. I haven't really needed a 10 mil practically at all on this car for the most part, other than just some odd bolts, as far as the stuff I've been working on. At least this whole fender's 10 mils, but yeah, this is more or less just a quick update video on everything that's going on with the car. I'm gonna be here for a minute, aren't I? Unless, yeah, I'm gonna be here for a minute. But yeah, as I said before, the female side of the connector and the wires for the wideband O2 sensor, which this just fell and attacked. That stuff is supposed to be, it's supposed to come in tomorrow from when I'm recording this video. And for the most part, that's the biggest thing that I have left, other than the tune and some slight other stuff. But even if I did the other stuff, that's still holding the car up from running. So I'm doing that first. This is not a good one. Come on. Come on. Almost got it. No, I don't. That's a washer I'm spinning. There we go. It does, doesn't it? I forgot about these. That's what's still holding it on. No, those do stay. Haha! I still need this to come off anyway. What is it attached by? Oh, underneath. Yes, underneath. You. Be back momentarily.